two-day trip started in the cute village of Stanford, just east of Edinburgh, and then we skirted around the capital city and up towards Stirling and Stirling Castle. We stopped for lunch in Callander, then continued on into the Highlands proper via Loch Ness.
Ready for some classic Highland scenery? We are on the road to Fort William in the Highlands, and this is the view. Absolutely stunning. And on a day like today, it's that times 10.
We went through Bridge of Orkney, Glencoe, and then finally stopped for the night just past Fort William at the gorgeous Whispering Pine Lodge, right on the shores of Loch Lochy. Truly a gorgeous place to spend the night. From Fort William, we also took a side trip to Glenfinnan. Why? Well, I think a lot of Harry Potter fans will recognise this particular railway viaduct. On day 2, we took the trip to, wait for it, there it is, Eilean Donan Castle. Truly famous castle. Been featured in numerous movies, including an upcoming remake of the movie Highlander. Then it was time to head back into the Highlands again, and our little target was, in this instance, a little tiny place called Foyers. Why is that? Because that body of water you see right next to it is, of course,
ready for one of the most famous views in Scotland, or indeed anywhere in the British Isles. Anyone with the guess? Well, anyone starting with Loch? You've got the right answer, because this is, of course, Loch Ness. The famous, the one and only, an astonishing body of water that is up to 800 feet deep and several, obviously miles long. And they say that the amount of water contained within Loch Ness is equal to all of that in every other body of water throughout the United Kingdom. So there's a lot of water in here. Enough to hide a monster? Well, we're not convinced. If it is still hanging out here, it's conspicuous by its absence. But it is just a beautiful day, and the beauty and the tranquility of the setting absolutely speaks for itself. This is Loch Ness.
And it was time to retrace part of our journey back down to Speyen Bridge.
Time for some more Highland scenic splendour. This again is the road from Glencoe to Fort William, and it is simply amazing. There is still snow on the peaks. You can see it dripping down some of the rocks. Not exactly gushing down, but it is just ridiculously picturesque.
And weave our way through the Highlands once again to the gorgeous House of Bruar, which was a real surprise. Beautiful place to find relatively in the middle of nowhere. From there, we took in the Queen's View, which was right on the shores, or overlooking, I should say, Loch Tummel.
Looking for more spectacular views of the Scottish Highlands? Well, let's try this one. around, show you the full glory of what is Queen's View. And we're going to point the camera back into the sun. Okay, you can see through the glare there in the distance is Glencoe, where we were earlier today. Quite magnificent yet again. Quite an elevation too, hey?
And from there, it was back to Edinburgh via that other amazing icon of Scotland, the Forth Bridge.